This is the office door. And that's a lot of snow. I don't think we're going to be open for a while. This is my car. For walkway. As you can see, the plow service hasn't come yet, so we're not going to be open for a while. This is the front. This is Route 81. It's about 7 a.m. and there's a one-lane, tiny plowable area there, and that's it. Emerson, what are you doing? Go on, Em. Go on. No, go do business. You doing your business? Go on. Alright, I'll come shovel you up. Tim already shoveled.